Good morning everyone, this is Poonam Darade from the Fundamental Days. I'll take you through the markets today. US market ended higher as US new home sales data for April released on Tuesday jumped 16.6% to a seasonal adjusted annual rate of 6,19,000 units, topping expectations and at the highest level since January 2008. Coming after a raft of positive US data and comments from various Fed officials explicitly highlighting a chance of Fed rate hike in June or July, the data helped to cement the case for a rate hike in coming months. Dow Jones ended higher by 1.22%, Nasdaq closed higher by 2%, S&P 500 ended higher by 1.37%. Asian markets are trading higher, taking cues from Wall Street and European markets. European markets were higher on account of news flow by a UK poll showed a 13 points lead in support amongst the Britain to stay in the European Union over their chances to leave. Nikkei is trading higher by 1.8%, Shanghai is trading higher by 0.3%, Hang Seng is trading higher by 2.39%, SGX Nifty is trading higher by 0.89%. Indian indices are expected to open higher and focus will be on the global development and domestic quarterly earnings. We have come out with a result update on Tata Powers. So Tata Power FY16 adjusted PAT of rupees 13.5 billion was higher than consensus estimate of 9.9 billion. Turnaround across segment was reflected in the operating cash flow of rupees 57 billion in FY16 versus 12 billion year on year. The turnaround across segments in FY16 was led by cash even breakout at Mudra UMPPM on cost rationalization and falling coal prices. Indonesian coal mining business sustaining margins at USD 8 per ton despite USD 7 per ton drop in the realization. Lower realization in Delhi and Mumbai distribution business on tariff hike and full power purchase agreement versus 85% earlier, leading to a 300 bps improvement in the core return on equity to 12.6% at 1.1 gigawatts Mammoth power plant. Going forward, Tata Power is focused on the renewable energy space. Tata Power has around 800 megawatts of operating renewable asset. Another 500 megawatt is under execution in India and 230 megawatts in South Africa. These projects, including 305 megawatts of hydropower, would add 11% to its existing 9.2 gigawatts installed capacity. The company has increased its target share of non-fossil fuel base in its total portfolio target of 20 gigawatts by 2025 to 30 to 40% versus 20% earlier. We increased our FY18 EPS by 8% to rupees 6.8, largely to factor in significant capacity addition in the renewable, partially offset by low margins in the coal mining on increase in the oil prices. However, our target price remains unchanged at rupees 83 as increase in the valuation of renewables is offset by lower cash capex in renewables and reduction in the valuation of coal mines. So we reiterate a buy on Tata Power at a target price of 83, which would give our investors an upside of about 16% from the current market price of 72. Thank you.